What else is remaining? Okay, let's go for the floor lamp. Exit the go to the isolation. This one I will apply the brass finish, the one that we have. Apply the brass finish, and the same thing I will do for the base here. This okay, this one again I will apply the same brass, but here this is the one that is going to emit the light. The way I will be working on this, I will apply this gray finish. Let's rename it to shade. Enter and apply it. What I will do is just apply a 0.5 value here. Okay, it's auto saving. I will cancel it, but you should always go for let the auto save complete the process. So 0.5. Okay, so when I put the light inside, it will also show the effect through the shade. Okay, and that's it. We'll close this. So this is done. Let's go for this wall deco thing. Isolation, perspective. This one is having, actually I have selected 3 texture for this, so I will apply it. I've already prepared it so that we don't waste time. Okay, so we'll just rename it to the wall decoration thing. Select Corona bitmap, and this is the one. Let's go for 1, apply it, and apply the UVW map. Show it in viewport, and let's adjust this so that the black covers the side as well. Okay, so let me increase the value. Yeah, okay, good. So the same thing I will be doing for this one. Now what I need to do is, let's come back to the first one. I will apply a wood finish for this. UVW map. Let's give it the value 1, maybe 0.25, 0.2. Fine. And then for this one, this ribbon, I'm going to give it a new finish. Let's give it a different color, a little bit shinier, and then let's increase the shine. Let's give it the value number 2. Okay, same thing here. Okay, so that's about it. Let's exit. Okay, what else is remaining? So I can apply the wood finish to the skirting. Okay, so I'll apply the same wood finish and paste. Let's select box. Let's exit the isolation. Enter the isolation. Let's change and see the direction that we want. Make it 0.2, and let's adjust, and let's see which direction. Yeah, fine. So this is running along the horizontal direction. Fine. So now what else is remaining? This one I can give a finish, or how about if I apply the wood here? Okay, let's apply the wood. 0.2 Z, that X is okay, fine. Let's apply the finish for the curtain. So curtain, curtain. I go to the isolation. So this is the curtain and this is going to be the shear. So let's apply the curtain. Oh, sorry, corona bitmap, and select this curtain. Okay, so if I show in the viewport and apply the UVW map, okay, same thing goes for this. And for the shear, what we can do is create the shear material, apply it, and let's come to the opacity, and let's go to the general and let's select fall off. Fall off, okay. So let's apply it. It's already applied, fine. We will adjust when we do the rendering, fine. Okay, so the remaining part is the walls and the flooring. Let's do one for the flooring. Okay, let's open up our library and go to the wood. Let's take a look for the flooring. Okay, we have a flooring section. And which one is this? Okay, so let's try this. Drag and drop, wait for it, and click to apply. So we can play with the UV mapping. Let's say 1 1. Let's isolate with the carpet and see what is happening. First, analyze the material. So what we have here is this image, okay. Let's apply the value 30 by 30. Okay, let's say 100 by 100, and let's keep adjusting it. Okay, so we have this real world size thing going on. Let's uncheck that, make it 1 1, and then let's come here and make it 30 by 30, or maybe make it 100. Okay, so this is the flooring. Let me adjust the same thing. If there's any other map that requires the same adjustment, and just make it 1. Okay, let's check here. Sorry, let's check this one. Okay, this is already changed. This is also changed because this is, you can see this is already an instance. Okay, let's come back, let's come to the bump section and let's check. So this is instance, so this is also adjusted automatically. This one we need to adjust. Okay, so now we can exit the isolation. Let's apply the white finish for the walls and the ceiling. Okay, let's just apply a whiter tone. Same thing for the column. And now what is remaining is the bed. Okay, so right click. Oh, let me close the group. Is this not part of the group? Okay, so I never grouped it. Fine, I'll select from the top view. Okay, so let's select this and then alt click, alt drag, deselect anything that is not part of the bed and just group it. Okay, no need to isolate again. Fine. So I need a metal, so let's bring in the metal. Let's grab this metal. And apply it. Okay, so let me reduce it so we have more of this effect. This one I would be giving leather. So let's copy this leather. Where is the leather? This is the leather. So let's just copy and drop. So this is going to be for the bed. For the bed. Fine. And we will change the color. We will change the color to white or grayish. Where is it? This is the one. Just apply it. We can give UV map, but first, in order to see, we need to show this one. Let's say show in viewport and then adjust it. Yeah, maybe increase it. $50. Okay, so let's copy this and select this, so that's easy and fast. So apply and right click, paste, and we can do the same thing. Right click, paste, same thing, right click, paste. Okay, this one will be just plain white. Yeah, and then this one is going to be maybe dark brownish thing, color, dark brownish, reddish, tonish, something like that. And then we can increase something like this and then increase the amount here. Click OK, apply it. Fine, let's close it. Okay, so what do we have here is the side table lamp. Okay, so what I need to do is, this is all one piece. Let's try the element if this is separate. Okay, so let me detach it. So this one will be marble. I will apply marble to this, and this is going to be our brass. Sorry, where is detach? Detach. And then this I can just give a different shading. This one also a little bit different. Okay, so this one is going to be the brass. There's the brass finish. This is going to be marble. Let's get it from our collection. Okay, for the marble I can go to stone and then scroll down. The black one, I need the white marbles. This is the one. Okay, so just click and drag and drop, and drag and drop again. Let's apply the UVW modifier. and let's apply the value, and let's adjust the value even further, or let's select this and click scale, something like this. Okay, this one I will apply. Let's make the pivot point center to the object. So this one again, the way I will be doing it is apply the same shade. Okay, and then we will install a light inside. So let's select these three objects and group it. Okay, and then this one I will duplicate on the other side. Okay, let's delete it, but I will duplicate it later on. Okay, later on.